Hi everyone. In this video we're going to practice converting to base 10 from different number bases. Now here's where we'll need expanded form to be able to read what these different numerals represent. Alright, so we're going to use order of operations, and just as a quick review, here's an acronym for that, and this tells you we should do parentheses first, then exponents, then multiplication and division from left to right, and addition and subtraction from left to right. So we'll use some of these different operations. Okay, so 1, 3, 4, base 5, and sometimes in your textbook you'll see the word 5 written as a subscript. You may also just see the numeral 5, and both of those tell you which base this number is. So 1, 3, 4, base 5 means one group of 5 squared plus 3 groups of 5 plus 4 groups of 1. So notice I'm going by powers of 5 here because it's base 5. We have 1s, 5s, 5 squareds, and if there was a fourth one it would be 5 cubed, and then so forth. Okay. Now order of operations, we do exponents first. So I would do 5 squared, that's 25. I should do parentheses first, but there really isn't anything to do. Okay, other than, in parentheses here is the exponent, and that's the next step. Okay, so exponents are done, then we multiply. So 1 times 25, 3 times 5, and 4 times 1, and then finally we add. Okay, so 25 and 15 is 40, plus 4 is 44. So 134 base 5 is the same as 44 base 10. And I don't put a subscript here because it is base 10. We just assume that it is base 10 if there is no subscript. Alright, how about 4213 base 5? Well, this would be 4 times 5 cubed plus 2 times 5 squared plus 1 times 5 plus 3 times 1. So exponents first, 5 cubed is 5 times 5 times 5, that's 125. Then 5 squared is 25. Alright, and then I would go back through and do all of the multiplication. 4 times 125 is 500. 2 times 25 is 50. 1 times 5 is 5, and 3 times 1. And then finally addition, so this is 558, and that's base 10. Alright, 132 base 6. So now I'm using powers of 6. This is 1 times 6 squared plus 3 times 6 plus 2 times 1. Okay, so exponents, this is 1 times 36. And that's the only exponent. Then multiplication, this is 36 plus 18 plus 2. And then addition, that's 56. Okay, how about 10110 base 2? Well, this is 1 times 2 to the 4th plus 0 times 2 to the 3rd. 1 times 2 squared, 1 times 2, and 0 times 1. Okay, so exponents, this is 1 times, and we can even just skip the 1 if you like. Okay, so this is 2 to the 4th, which is 16. This is 0. Okay, 0 times 8. Then next I have 2 squared is 4. 1 times 2 is 2, 0 times 1 is 0, and then adding those together, that gives 22. So this is another way of, this is the base 2 of writing the base 10 number 22. Base 8, 1532. This is one group of 8 cubed, 5 groups of 8 squared, 3 groups of 8, and 2 groups of 1. Alright, so that's one group of 8 cubed is 512. 5 groups of 8 squared is 64. Okay, and those are the only exponents. Then multiplying, we have 512. 5 times 64 is 320. 3 times 8 is 24, plus 2. And let's see, that would be 58, I believe. Yes, that's 858 base 10. Okay, and we'll try one more example. This is base 3. So we have 2 times 3 cubed plus 1 times 3 squared plus 0 times 3 plus 2 times 1. Okay, so 3 cubed is 27. 3 squared is 9. Alright, and then that's it for exponents. Multiplying, 2 times 27 is 54, plus 9, plus 0, plus 2. Okay, and that's, let's see, 65. Alright, so 2102 base 3 is the base 10 number 65. Alright, so those are some examples of converting from other bases to base 10. There are additional practice problems in the textbook if you need them. And in the next video we will talk about going the other direction, converting base 10 numbers into other bases.